Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday. Here in South Carolina, we are preparing for another round of winter weather. So we're going to try to get a little bit of propane here. So just in case for emergency backup, y'all come along and let's see what we get into for today. Got up here a little local store that sells propane. They was out, had to wait on supply truck to come in and fill them back up. We're gonna get us a tank or two filled up and have us a little bit of on hand just in case. So they're calling for up to a ½ inch of freezing rain ice on one channel, on the other one saying 4 to 6 inches of snow. I'd rather have the snow than the ice, man, because our power goes out here easy enough. LP gas is a hot commodity today. Everybody's wanting some. You ain't wanting by the law, are you?
Oh no! What's up?
And that's called purging it, right? You letting the air out? Gas in. Get to a certain amount, it'll quit exhausting air out of there and start running the gas out. I'll bring it back on and start doing that.
There we go.
There it goes. Okay, now that we got the gas for the generators and all taken care of and propane, just in case for this ice storm, we're going to start mocking up the pieces, the mount. That piece there, the outside, is going right here on the tongue of our race trailer. And as you can see, you got your stabilizer chains that has to hook up when you're towing it. That's the hitch right there. Them chains hook on them. If you're not familiar, then you snap it up. But we need 10 or so inches between the trailer in the back of our unit, so that puts us right in the way of these, but we don't want to eliminate them. So we're going to build a riser to go right here to come up about a foot to hold our air conditioning unit. Be a whole series on installing the mini split in the race trailer, but why we need some, well, once we got everything ready to try to be prepared for the snow that might be coming, we figured we'd work on a little metal work for the trailer. Check that out. That'll do. All right, we got all of our pieces cut. We needed 6 9-inch pieces. That's our risers and that's our spacers. We needed 2 24s, 30, and 18. Let's get all the ends cleaned up so it'll be ready to weld up. Make sure y'all subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, whether it's dirt track racing, farming, welding, fabricating, or just hanging out with us on a live. We do a live every Sunday night. If you haven't or hung out with us on that Sunday night deal, make sure you come in and hang out with us. Alright, got all the burrs off, got the ends clean, so they're good enough to weld. Then we'll clean the pipes up afterwards when we get ready to paint it. This is the frame where the outside part of the split unit's gonna sit. There'll be a tab welded in here on each corner. for the unit to bolt down. We're gonna bolt it, probably use rubber and all to isolate it, but that'll be coming in an upcoming video. But we didn't only clean the ends, we had to clean the inside there too, where they're gonna weld. But let's get this tacked up. Alright, y'all just saw us tack it up. You saw me weld it up. And I've cleaned it up. I don't think I recorded cleaning it up, but we got it pretty clean. Clean enough, especially for me. We're going to end this video here. What we're going to do is, this will be risers to make it set up however high I want it over there on the tongue of the trailer. But make sure y'all hit the thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a good one.